Keras versus TensorFlow versus PyTorch. Which one should you choose?
So we're gonna compare Keras, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. So starting with Keras, Keras is a high-level API for building and training models quickly. Its current, I mean, its limitation is that it is less flexible for custom training loops or research-heavy use cases. So it is slower for some advanced workloads compared to low APIs. So here are some examples right here. Here are some guides. And next up is we have TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a full end-to-end machine learning framework. It is best for production, mobile deployment, and scalability. It also offers both low-level training of control and high-level APIs like Keras. Um, it is also a powerful ecosystem which includes TensorBoard, TF Serving, TF Lite, and TFJS. Next is that it is slightly steeper learning curve for low-level API. So we have PyTorch. PyTorch is a deep learning framework known for eager executions like NumPy. Its strength is that it is highly Pythonic and easy to debug. It is widely used in academic research and better for writing custom training loops, models, or experimentation. It is getting better with torque serve and ONX, but still catching up to TensorFlow. So, which one of the three should you use? If you're a beginner in ML, you should choose this Keras. If you want production-ready deployment, then you should go to TensorFlow. If you're doing cutting-edge research, you should go to PyTorch. And if also you need custom training logic, you should go to PyTorch or TensorFlow. And lastly, if you want fast prototyping, you should go on with Keras.